Welcome to Educators Inquiring About the World. My name is Nezrin Kashish and this is my presentation on the mountain pygmy possum. The mountain pygmy possum, Burramys parvus. The mountain pygmy possum was discovered in 1966. It's endemic to the Australian Alps. It's the largest of the 5 species of pygmy possums. It's a mouse-like creature as seen in Figure 2. It also hibernates from March/April to September/October. The mountain pygmy possum occurs in 3 geographical regions: Kosciuszko National Park, Mount Bogon and Mount Higginbotham, and Mount Buller. Key findings. The mountain pygmy possum is an endangered species protected by the Commonwealth Environment and Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act 1999, the New South Wales Threatened Species Conservation Act 1995, and the Victorian Flora and Fauna Guarantee Act 1998. It's also listed as critically endangered on the 2008 IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. The mountain pygmy possum has habitat partitioning between sexes. Females and males meet at the higher level elevation quality for breeding season, and then the males disperse to the lower elevation habitat. But Bogon moths is an important food source for them, but the boulderfield habitat also provides nectar, seeds and fruit, and a variety of arthropods. Population of the mountain pygmy possum is decreasing, and approximately 2,000 live in Australia. The mountain pygmy possum faces 2 problems: population decline and threats. In 2018, it was recorded that there is 1,605 adult females and 575 adult males. A decrease in bogon moth numbers is thought to have resulted in high levels of pouch young losses during the 2017/2018 and 2018/2019 breeding seasons. Mountain pygmy possum faces several threats. 1. The habitat destruction and fragmentation. 2. Feral animals such as foxes and cats. 3. Small population sizes and consequent inbreeding. And most importantly, climate change. It interferes with snow insulation during hibernation and disrupts the seasonal migration of bogon moths, which is a critical food source during breeding season. Why should we care, you ask? Well, there are many reasons why we should care. This little marsupial is endemic to Australia and could be facing extinction. Secondly, it is a plant pollinator for our native trees, the eucalyptus, bottlebrush and banksias. Thirdly, it is an indicator to how healthy the alpine ecosystem is and the effects of climate change. Lastly, by protecting the habitat of this small marsupial, we are ensuring the survival of the northern and southern corroboree frogs, broad-toothed rat, and the mountain plum pine, which is also endemic to the alpine. A call to action. After the Dunroad fires in 2020, Saving Our Species program installed drinking and feeding stations, and Zoos Victoria donated bogon biscuits. Zoos Victoria also have a program looking into the diet, reproduction and hibernation of the species, and have created a video called Lights Off for Bogon Moths. Ski resorts protect their habitat by placing area closed signs around the boulder fields. Some of the conservation sites bringing awareness to the community include Bush Heritage Australia and Australian Conservation Foundations. Lastly, government organisations forming action and statement plans to implement and protect the mountain pygmy possum.